Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Jeep Cherokee. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, tires all season, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.